what he said? He said that you are the biggest mistake he ever made. And he said, and I quote, that you have become a liability and an embarrassment to the Bureau. Now get going.